ano to, retro, gentleman,
Yes, 70s.
yeah.
Sporty.
Groovy style.
Us-
Groovy look.
what was it like finally filming together?
Actually, it's always been, a dream of mine.
Wow.
Oh!
To work with Piolo. Kasi ang tagal na namin magkasama sa ABS, but we've never actually got to
Yeah, we never had a chance to work
Chance to
together.
work together.
I was just
So,
thinking
I
about
think-
that. Yeah.
It's about time. It's
Yeah,
about
okay.
time.
What was the conversation like on set?
Wala, para I just said, di pa tayo nakatrabaho no? Ngayon pa lang, no?
Oo.
That was yung first eksena namin habang nagtatracking kami doon kami sa kotse. Sabi, yeah. I was like, hell yeah, that's awesome, man. Let's
Yeah,
do it.
yeah.
We're ready.
Yeah, I was just thinking about yesterday. Sabi ko, would have thought would be, working, on a project such as this.
Yeah.
What a fine project it is because you'll be sporting, of course, no, yung mga pinaka matitikas na police noong 60s, 70s.
Yes, totoo po yan.
Eh,
Totoo po yan.
We learned about Homer a bit, but who is Billy?
Ojeda.
Billy
Ojeda.
Ano?
So Ojeda tawag sa kanya, Ojeda. Ganun.
Last name kasi kami.
Yes.
Yeah.
Last name is-
Magtibay, Ojeda.
Yeah.
Ojeda.
Parang pero medyo rookie kasi ako dito eh. So parang I look at, Homer Magtiba as my older brother. Parang siya yung idol ko dito sa Force. And ayun, I just look up to him. So I want to be like him. But syempre, because of choices and bad choices and circumstances, medyo nalalet down ko yung sarili ko. And
Wow.
of course, si Homer. But hopefully, he vindicates himself.
Wow.
Yeah.
How is
Yeah.
it working with Ken? Kasi dream niya pala makatrabaho kay
Same, such a small world to be in and to be able to give life to characters that we have. It's fun. It's fun on the set, working with the seasoned actors. You have Romney Sormenta, you have
Oo.
Joy Marquez, you have Ariel Rivera, and then you
Grabe.
also have Rika, Jasmine. So, such a treat, to be working alongside actors who are really good and seasoned.
halfway in production, grabe yung kulay nung production. Nakikita
Yes.
na namin yung mga behind the scenes.
Yun kasi. So,
oo.
pati yung set, pag nandun ka, yung mga props,
Oo.
yung, basta, nakakatuwa lang tignan.
Mm.
Sa kotse, sa buong
Sa
set
props,
kasi.
diba yung
Oo,
kahapon, yung mga soda nila
yung
from
mga
the
soda,
70s.
bottles, yung mga pera.
So
Oo.
talagang napakadetalyado nung art depth
Galing.
in terms
Get-
of set.
Yeah, you just get
Yeah.
transformed to that time, the
Yeah.
70s. Kasi
Actually-
medyo old soul ako, so, I've always been fascinated about living back in the 70s and sa fashion, sa music and everything. So, to be able to be there, like, to do a
Galing.
period- I've never done a period project.
Bagay pala sa'yo.
Oh, syempre,
Oh.
hindi tayo.
Yeah! Yun ba yun?
Gusto ko may disco scenes, kaso wala eh. Pero,
Hindi bagay sa role natin.
Oo! Kasi matikas, di ba? Tsaka iba yung mga kalalakihan nung panahon na yun, di ba?
Yeah. So we also had to study that. I did my research. I watched a lot of videos. How they were back in the 60s, yung stance nila, how they are at home, how they are sa trabaho.
Oo.
And, when they're with each other. So, iba yung kalakaran, iba yung how they talk, and pati yung the way they talk, iba rin.
How are the men in the 60s, 70s, di ba? Parang iba na kayo as gentlemen today.
parang mas prim and proper dati. Parang may ganun eh.
Nag-rub off ba?
Wala kasing social media back then.
Oo.
So, maraming oras for interaction, social interaction.
Wow.
Totoo yan.
I hope we
Totoo yan.
that, no?
Actually, totoo.
And honestly, Papa P, yun nga, no, kakarating mo lang, my gosh, world tour na naman. And you've been, sobrang sikat yung dalawa, di ba? And you've been, of course, you did commercial films, all that jazz, series, and now, the past years, trailblazing ka lang sa mga proyektong pinipili mo. How do you feel na sumusunod sa yapak si Ken? Kasi di ba, parang,
I'm happy that he's doing what he's doing right now. Sabi ko, you're still young to feel as if you've done a lot already, or you've done so many things that you wanna, quit. Ang dami pa pwedeng gawin.
Oh, tsaka I look up to him from producing projects and then films and all the great roles he's been portraying. So hopefully I get to follow the same footsteps kahit papaano. Kahit papaano.
wow, yeah. May mga inside joke na ba kayo? Para,
Wala pa naman, wala pa. Masyado.
Si Chong,
Chong.
oh, nakita ko.
lahat ng eksena namin madidistract ka because dami niya adlib nakakatuwa because I think amongst ourselves siya lang yung talagang marami alam tungkol sa time na yon. So
Correct.
nakakatuwa siya panoorin. Also with Romnick talagang wow. Alam mo yung mga tinginan lang pero ang lalim,
Husay,
napaka-deep,
correct.
nakakatuwa, madadala ka.
You said you've been doing this for Philippine cinema, kaya parang wala ka ng pahinga hanggang next year. Di ba? What do you hope, like, yung mga manonood ngayong Pasko, makita nila rito? Kasi lagi natin, di ba, inabangan, gusto natin horror, gusto natin love,
It's
ito.
also good to show the historical side of, of the Philippines before, and to show that to the young ones, yung sa ating mga kabataan.
Yeah.
And also to shed light on some of the policemen and police force that at the time, even till now, there's still a group of people that's really, tapat. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess moving forward with Philippine cinema, it's always about pushing the envelope and making sure that you do something that you haven't done before. That's your kumbaga offer sa audience. When you give them something that's interesting, something they would learn from, and somewhat educational as well. So, ang ganda pag nakagawa ka ng mga pelikula na pati ikaw natututo, pati ikaw may takeaway ka, meron kang mga nakaka-proud na moments kasi alam mong this is not just about you, this is for everyone to consume, and also just to really advance Philippine cinema for that matter. You always want to challenge yourself to coming up with films that are relevant and
Yeah.
something that we can proud of globally.
Especially sa times ngayon, di ba? Just to show them that, there's still hope for the Philippines. And, so yun lang.
The,
It's a
the
good
hope
takeaway.
is so alive with this one. And Ken, I didn't get to ask you this. How did you prepare pala for Billy? Wow, you look fantastic.
Oh, thank you.
Gusto ko na di ba?
Kailangan
Ano
mag-cardio
ba? Na-pressure ka ba?
Magka-workout kami after.
No. Alam mo, Papa P, yung mga iba nga, niyayaya mo rin mag-workout lagi sa set. So,
Kasama
niyaya
na.
mo rin si Ken.
Yeah.
Sasama na.
Wala siyang choice.
Wala siya. Ako,
Sasama na.
parang mga pulis pala talaga to.
Nagpa-fasting ako 1 meal a day na lang.
Yeah, grabe yung transformation niya. I mean, from before when we did the look test until, when we started filming, nakita mo talaga yung pag-transform ni Ken.
Kakapra, 1 meal a day.
One
And
meal a
then,
week.
A week?
Grabe ka.
Ito yun, 1 meal a week.
1 meal a week. Manok lang.
Sabaw
minsan
lang
isda.
Sabaw.
Isda.
Kwento.
Gulay, Sabaw.
Hangin.
Oo.
Hindi, pero nakakatuwa. So, mag-workout kayo.
Kailangan. Siyempre.
Naka-record na daw to. Sasama ka na talaga.
Kasi yung uniform namin, bawal mag-exercise eh.
Oo nga.
Masyadong,
Sobrang tight fitting ng mga panahon eh. So,
bawal huminga eh.
Ang galing. Yeah, you guys look amazing in the
Thank you.
uniform. Sa hindi ko na, ito pa yun, di ba? Yung casual nyo pa yan.
Casual, but all the uniforms of course had to be customized para
tailor
sa
fit
bawat
talaga.
character. Yeah.
Galing. Oo
Yeah.
nga, parang bawal yung chan sa uniform.
bawal talaga.
Bawal huminga. Bawal kumain ng extra rice.
But anyway, thank you so much, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you.